Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you're into filmmaking, travel vlogging, or just love cool tech, you're gonna love this one. Today, we're talking about the DJI Osmo Pocket 4. Now, it's not officially released yet, but the rumors? They're too good to ignore. Let's break down what we know so far, and what might be coming very soon. First up, the camera. Word on the street is, DJI might partner with Hasselblad again. Yup. The same camera tech they use in high-end drones. That means sharper images, richer colors, and pro-level detail. And that's not all. The Pocket 4 could feature a 1-inch sensor. Great for low light and beautiful depth of field. Big deal, especially in a camera that fits in your pocket. Next, lenses. There's a rumor going around that DJI might add a triple lens setup. Wide, standard, maybe even telephoto. That means optical zoom, without carrying extra gear. Perfect for creators on the move. Now let's talk video. The Pocket 4 might shoot 4K at 240 frames per second. That's buttery smooth slow motion. In ultra-sharp 4K. We're also expecting 10-bit color, HDR video. And maybe support for D-Log. So yeah, real cinematic potential. Battery life? Also rumored to be better. Some say you'll get a full charge in under 30 minutes. Plus improved heat management, so you can shoot longer, without overheating. And of course, the smart features. Expect things like Active Track 6.0, face tracking, time lapses, and maybe even some AI-powered auto editing. And yes, it'll probably still use the DJI Mimo app. Hopefully with faster, more stable connectivity. So, when is it coming out? That's the big question. DJI hasn't confirmed anything yet, but looking at past release cycles, most people are guessing late 2026 to early 2027. Still a ways off. So what should you do? If you need a camera now, the Osmo Pocket 3 is still amazing. But if you can wait, and want the latest and greatest, the Pocket 4 might be worth holding out for. Alright, that's it for today's video. What do you think? Would you wait for the Pocket 4? Or grab the Pocket 3 now? Let me know in the comments. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech content.